Foundation Systems Hawaii is one of the best of Hawaii for construction.
And after all the heavy rains, here's a question for you, homeowners. Is your Hawaii home shifting? Sloping floors, wall cracks, and sticking doors are critical warning signs of foundation damage caused by local hillside or fill soils.
So don't wait for nature to turn small cracks into expensive disasters. Trust Foundation Systems Hawaii, the island's top repair contractor with over 15 years of experience.
You know, they specialize in permanently stabilizing homes and retaining walls using advanced, customized micropile systems built specifically for Hawaii's challenging soil conditions.
From initial evaluation to final repair, their team gives you a clear, permanent solution rather than a temporary fix. Getting a professional evaluation now can save you tens of thousands of dollars in future repairs.
That's right. So protect your investment. Schedule your free no-pressure foundation inspection at foundationsystemshawaii.com.